Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ka Nongstony Assembly Youth Congress haka pratrek unailur 8,000 pulai, kala sami ka Khusnam MLA Excellence Award 8,000 pulai, syaki Samla puli kumshi bentaban Pynshlur, ba kinang lep hasyusyu haki Jingpule ki bak Pynshlur. Kidan lai pu arngut ki Samla puli na kisnong per jong ka Nongstony constituency ki bala syapun kupurom, bat kentup ru ya ki saungut ki Samla puli ki bala yorong haka top 20 jong ka examen SSLC bat HSSLC. Ya ki Samla puli lapun kupurom daw MLA jong ka Nongstony constituency ba Gabriel Walang. Ringkat ke Jingsa Kilang jong u Deputy Commissioner jong ka West Khasi Hills District upa Garrett LNS Dykes u Superintendent of Police u Bikram Sangma kinohikai ki khna school bat kiwi ki bala syakot ngobha. Hadian kini ke jingpun kupurom la beteng pat saya ke jing aji hikai syaki khna school ling ba ka youth career counseling fair.
Foundation. You have to build a solid foundation. By solid foundation, we mean the idea, principle, or fact on which something is practiced. The courses at secondary level, school of education, aims to give students a solid foundation in English, social science, science, and mathematics. But majority of the students read these foundation subjects just to pass the exams and to get promoted to the next higher class or next higher level. I can tell you this is very wrong. This is not the purpose of education. Because the purpose of education is to build a solid foundation in these foundation subjects I mentioned: English, science, social science, and maths. Because if you don't have a clear concept, a solid foundation of these subjects, it will be very difficult for you to particularly when you appear the competitive exam.
Siempre hay un hombre como un lincoln que se dice que wajib que lo hago. Dan wajib que lo hago hijab nanti. Dan la sakama nanti they handa in song shay kalawe ke soma. Kat kinong kren dibuang kinong kalawe ke song Samla. Anray larangi ibu kita ki jingwai ki jomi bagi ong korgor kalawe ke jomi. Lara Pynshlur ke kalawe manoke banbo ke kalawe ke jomi. Ilong le jingkerman to basker na ka kalawe ke jomi. Ikwai ri ka Nongstony ke tingi kan kala lemba ke start ke jomi. Pilai ki ban saindore ke Nongstony. Ni bala kame ni wan hamis tamana ki jingkren ba sim na por se ko. Anray banpen kala kalakam luna ko na kaso. Anray malo bala banpen kala kadai ki Imangi kmilti, kikmi kipagi kmilti, ki nomikai kmilti, baka imlang kasalang kmilti. Naga puntaba kumno man saindor, ya kane kalaway, ya kane constancy, ya kane tabi bagi kichomi. Lara kino kiba donkam kichingera, awo kidon kata kimu mare pas ketulim, na kloy penelon berta nang mati, kumno man kan teo dito pide man pas be. Ano kina pas be kana kom roti diga. Ini atri rangkat. Nagam dagani, but sibut la keren no pa lagi, banai mesin lagi. Ado, shua banaru anshong, banane ngalon saki program kita hablek ham sejenai ba nani. Arengai mesin lagi wei. Di knaskol wei, lamba jinong ikai dijobdi. Bakala wei, kasong lagi. Hama biya tak ketelia dijobdi, wajah tak kejingoi dijobdi.
I am very sad to say that during our time we don't get an opportunity. So I feel like going back to the student life and studying and receive the award. Because these days you will find from the government side also, there are lots of recognition being given, and from the constituency wise, district wise, all the recognitions are being given. That's why sometimes I envy you all, the present students. But at the same time, you should envy me also, because I don't have to fight the competition level which you all are fighting now. Because during our time, the competition level was not that in a high level. But these days, you have to fight till you sweat to get something. So my advice to the other students, you should not be proud of them for receiving that award today. Instead, you should imbibe the competition spirit by taking an oath today that this year, okay, let them receive. Next year, I will receive. Without this competition, my dear students, the days are coming that we call it in Hindi that chalta hai attitude will never lead you to anywhere. I think, have any of the students has gone through what is written here? See, embrace the award as a reminder of your potential. You all are bright students. You put little bit of effort, you become brighter students. You slog than the others, you will become the best students. So, don't just satisfy yourself in that good or in that best students, better students. Try to be the best. And once again, sir, this in fact is a good opportunity for the students to step on, to sign, to fight in this present situation. Next,
From